Stop. Just stop for a second. I need you to hear this, because what I'm about to tell you goes against everything your doctor, your neighbors, and maybe even your own brain has been telling you for years. If you are over 60 and you are dealing with knee pain, you have likely accepted a specific narrative. You've probably told yourself, well, I'm just getting older. My knees are bone on bone. It's just arthritis. This is my new normal. That is a lie. I am not saying arthritis doesn't exist, but what if I told you that a study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy suggests that up to 40% of knee pain cases aren't caused by damage to the knee joint itself, but by weakness in the muscles surrounding it? Your knees aren't wearing out. They are being starved. They are being abandoned by the very muscles designed to protect them. And today, we are going to fix that. We are going to wake those muscles up. I'm going to give you 3 specific, deceptively simple moves. These aren't exercises in the traditional sense, they are keys to unlocking your mobility again. But you have to stick with me to the end, because the third one is the single best predictor of whether you'll be walking independently in your 80s. Let's get started. Before we move, you need to understand the enemy. The enemy isn't your age. The enemy is a condition called sarcopenia. According to the Mayo Clinic, after age 30, we lose 3% to 5% of our muscle mass per decade. By the time you hit 60, if you haven't been actively training, your glutes and quads have essentially gone to sleep. Think of your knee joint like a door hinge. If the frame, your muscles, is rotted and weak, the hinge, your knee, takes all the stress every time you open and close it. It squeaks. It hurts. But if you reinforce the frame, the hinge glides. We are going to reinforce that frame right now. But first, a quick safety note, because I care about your results, not just your views. We are looking for the burn. That feeling of fatigue in the muscle is good. That means you are waking it up. However, if you feel a sharp, shooting, or electrical pain inside the joint itself, stop immediately. This is about rehabilitation, not aggravation. Have a chair nearby for balance, and let's go. Move number 1, the seated leg extension, the VMO awakening. We are going to start with move number 1. This targets a specific part of your quadriceps called the VMO, or the vastus medialis oblique. It's the muscle on the inside of your knee. Why does this matter? Research from the University of Louisville shows that when this specific muscle is weak, your kneecap actually tracks incorrectly. It rubs against the bone instead of gliding smoothly. That grinding noise you hear? That's what we are stopping. Sit at the edge of your chair, back straight, chest proud. 1. Extend one leg out straight in front of you. Imagine you are trying to push your heel through a wall in front of you. 2. At the top of the movement, I want you to pause. Hold it for 2, 3 seconds. Squeeze hard. 3. Don't just drop it. Lower it slowly with control. Crucial cue, don't snap the knee. We are not kicking a ball. We are tensioning a cable. Reps, I want you to do 10 of these on each leg. If you don't feel a deep ache in the muscle above your knee by rep number 6, you aren't squeezing hard enough. Make your brain talk to that muscle. Move number 2, the glute bridge. Moving on to move number 2. This is where we stop the knees from collapsing inward. Here is a shocking statistic. A study in the Clinical Biomechanics Journal found that people with weak glutes experience significantly higher stress on their knee ACL even during simple walking. If your glutes are asleep, your knees have to pay the rent. It's time to evict that stress. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Place your hands palms down by your sides for stability. 1. Squeeze your glutes, your backside, hard. Imagine you are trying to crack a walnut between your cheeks. 2. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. 3. Hold at the top for 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Crucial cue, don't arch your back. If you feel this in your lower back, you are cheating. Lower your hips slightly, tuck your tailbone, and focus entirely on squeezing your rear end. Reps, let's go for 10 to 12 reps. This is not just about exercise, this is knee insurance. We have arrived at move number 3. This is the heavyweight champion of functional longevity. Do you want to know a scary truth? A famous study in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology followed thousands of adults and found that the ability to stand up from a chair without using your hands is one of the strongest indicators of how long you will live. If you need to push off with your hands to stand up, you are losing your independence. Today, we take it back. Sit at the edge of the chair. Cross your arms over your chest. Lean your torso forward slightly, think of bringing your nose over your toes. Drive your heels into the floor and explode up to a standing position. Stand tall for a second. Sit back down slowly. Crucial cue, push the floor away. Don't pull yourself up with your momentum, push the ground down. Reps, aim for 5 to 10. If this is hard, good. That means you are working at your limit. That is where change happens. So, you have the moves. You know the science, but I have to tell you the secret sauce. Without this, the video you just watched is useless. The secret isn't intensity, it's frequency. When we are over 60, our nervous system needs repetition to relearn how to fire these muscles. Doing these moves once a week won't cut it. I am asking you for a daily contract. Just 5 to 10 minutes, every single day. Do them while your coffee brews. Do them during the commercial break of your favorite show. A study from Harvard Medical School confirms that even moderate, consistent daily activity significantly reduces inflammation markers in the body. You aren't just building muscle, you are changing your internal chemistry from inflamed to healed. Before we wrap up, this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Let me ask you a question. What is the one thing you stopped doing because of your knees? Is it playing with grandkids in the yard? Is it walking the golf course? Is it just walking up the stairs without fear? Imagine, 30 days from now, doing that thing again. Pain-free. It starts now. Not tomorrow, not Monday, now. If this video opened your eyes, do me a favor, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm that this information matters to seniors, and it helps someone else just like you find this solution. And please, tell me in the comments, which of these 3 moves was the hardest for you? Was it the bridges? Or the stand-ups? I read every single comment, and I want to know where you stand. Thank you for trusting me with your health. Remember, movement is the best medicine you have. Take care of those knees, and I'll see you in the next video.